Hi everybody, Mr. Rice here, and we are going to go over the missions in Object Detection 1 on Cyber Robotics 101 in CoderZ. So let's hop right into it. The Object Detection 1 missions use the touch sensor in our programming, which is the first time we're using a sensor. So let's look at that. Meet the touch sensor is our first mission. Use the HUD, H-U-D, and manual control to familiarize yourself with the touch sensor. So we'll just wait for this to load. Hopefully quickly. There we go. Maybe not, spoke too soon. Okay. Here we go. Meet the touch sensor. Let's get to know the touch sensor with a hands-on experience. HUD, open the heads-up display. That's this button right here, and watch the touch sensor's readings. Click here to maximize the simulation view. You'll notice in the program main area, it just has a couple comments that says, complete this mission, no code needed. So we're just going to use manual control using the button here, which looks like a little Xbox controller. Take the wheel, press the up arrow key on your keyboard to drive to the wall. So I'm just pressing up on the keyboard. You can also use the on-screen buttons down here. Now, notice when I hit the wall, I have a left motor, right motor, and a touch sensor with my heads-up display. When I hit the wall, the state says true. If I'm not touching the wall, it says false. And that's because my touch sensor right there on the front is hitting the wall. So you can see true, false, true, false, true, false. You get the idea. So now let's complete the mission by turning right. Oh, have to click manual control again. Now it's awkward because I'm not facing behind the robot. There we go. And we're just going to complete the mission to the target. So easy peasy, no programming needed, just use manual control. Let's do mission 2 called The Wait is Over. The robot should turn only after it hits the wall. Can you fix it? Restart this mission also. Meet the wait until touch block. This is the block you've been waiting for. This block will put your code on hold until the touch sensor is either pressed, which we just saw was true, or released, which is false. So right now, if we give it a try, you can see it currently says false. It says wait until touch is pressed false. So let's run the code and see what happens. Notice the robot turns right away and into this bad wall here, not the finish line. Here's why. You can see, like we said, it was false. We need to change it to true. So what the robot's going to do is it's going to run forward until the touch sensor is pressed. So now it's going to do the correct thing. The robot's going to go forward until it touches the wall, then it will turn right and go forward until the finish line. So mission 2 is pretty simple too. Just change wait until touch is pressed from false to true. Let's try the next mission. Wait again. The robot should turn only after it hits the wall. Can you code it all by yourself? Okay, let's try mission 3, wait again. This is the same mission as before. Give it a try, but without our code base. So it should look something like this. Drive forward, wait until touch, turn right, drive forward. You'll find the drive block in the motor category. You'll find the wait until touch block in the control flow category. You can use smart blocks to solve this mission if you already have them. I'm not going to, but if you know how to use smart blocks pretty well, feel free to make your code much shorter. Okay, and if you're still stuck, click the little icon there. So it looks like my robot needs to drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward. So it's kind of using the same code over and over again. So drive forward until touch, turn right. Now to make this turn right, make sure you click the little blue icon there, set steering and set duration. Grab a couple numbers to put in those empty slots there. Down to the data category. Okay, and a perfect right turn, remember, power 15, duration 1750, steering 100. That's just the perfect 90-degree right turn right there. Okay, so it's drive forward until touch, turn right, got that. Drive forward until touch, turn right again. Let's make sure this first part works though. So my robot drives forward until here, because that's when the touch sensor touches, and then it turns right. Perfect. So now it's going to be the same thing. Drive forward until touch, turn right. Drive forward until touch, turn right. You see this gets a little tedious after a while. Change those numbers to a right turn, 15 power, 1750 duration, 100 steering. And after I turn right, it looks like I need one more drive forward. So at the very bottom, let's do a drive forward. Reset the simulation, start from the beginning. Now, if you want your robot to go faster as well, you can click the little timescale fast forward button there. I'm just gonna do double speed. Look at that, isn't that nice? Okay, let's try mission 4, filling in smart blocks. So we're gonna use smart blocks in this mission because we have to. Okay, let's restart here. Okay, smart coding. Tighten up our smart blocks a bit. This robot needs to drive forward until it touches a wall, turn right, and then drive forward to the target right there. We've made another smart block for you called Until Touch. As the name suggests, it will drive the robot forward until the touch sensor is pressed. Let's run the code and see what happens. Yeah, you can see it does a right turn automatically, so that's not working quite right yet. Something's wrong with our Until Touch smart block. So let's click on the little tab here and see what's going on. There's nothing in it. It's empty. That's why the robot didn't do the right thing. So this robot block should drive forward until touch. So let's do that. We're gonna have a drive forward until touch. Okay. Now, let's just make sure our right turn block looks good. It does. Let's go back to our main. So now it's until touch, right turn, drive forward. Now it should work just by changing our until touch smart block. Then it looks like it works. So not too bad there. Let's do a left turn can be smart turns. Okay, let's restart here. Now, they want you to create your own smart block. Many missions, including this one, need left turns and right turns. So let's make a left turn smart block. So to create a new smart block, click on the little smart blocks letter or icon, click new smart block, enter the name. In this case, we want left turn. Now, I have already made this smart block, so it's going to give me an issue if I try to make it again. But I'll show you. If I try to do left turn, create, it says name already exists. So that's because I have it right here. Now, a left turn smart block, let's do it again. A left turn block looks exactly the same as a right turn block. The only difference is one number. So let's add a regular drive block, set steering, set duration, number here, number here. Now, the power is still 15 in this case. and the duration is still 1750. The difference is the steering. A right point turn is a 100 steering. A left point turn is a negative 100 steering. Our until touch block is still the same. So now our program should be until touch, left turn, drive forward. Until touch, left turn, which I had to call lefty turn on mine. Oh, and it is not working, is it? Why isn't it working? I don't think this is going to work because these are all miscolored. Yeah, see, look at that. Let's try restarting the mission. Maybe it'll work now. I think I might have to delete these. Okay, let's remove. Reset, maybe? There we go. Are they in my main yet? Nope. Okay. Hold, please. Let's try refreshing this. Okay, this is good. So now we can restart the mission. Time has come for you to make your own smart block. Many missions, including this one, need left turns and right turns. So let's make a left turn smart block. To create a new smart block, click on the little smart block icon, then click the plus new smart block button. Type your name. In this case, we're going to make a left turn. So just call it left turn. Capital L, capital T, so it looks nice. And then click create. So let's try it. Now, I think I already have a left turn block. So while you would type new smart block and type left turn, it won't work for me because that name is already existing. So I'm going to click smart block, lefty turn right there, and import it. Now, the left turn smart block, let's make that together, looks exactly the same as a right turn. Make sure you have a regular drive block, set steering, set duration, put numbers in for both. The power number should be 15. The duration number should be 1750. The steering is the only thing that changes. A right point turn was 100 for the steering. A left point turn is a negative 100. You also need your until touch block, so make sure you import that. Click on import. So I have until touch, which needs blocks in it. Hopefully yours still has it. I don't know when mine got deleted. So until touch is a drive forward, until touch, just like that. Okay, so I have my until touch, I have my left turn. Now back in my main, I can use my smart blocks. So this robot needs to drive forward until touch. So I'm going to call my until touch smart block. Then it needs to do a left turn. Then it needs to drive forward. So hopefully this works. Let's test it. Beautiful. That's how you do this mission, similar to what we've done before, this time using smart blocks. Duplicate blocks. This time the robot will need to make 2 turns, duplicate some blocks to make it go faster. Let's reset because you can see this code gets a little long and I've done it once before. So with more turns, you need more blocks. To save you time, let's learn how to duplicate. To duplicate, you just right-click on the block and select duplicate. A copy appears and you place it where you want to go. Isn't that handy? Saves you a lot of time rather than making another right turn block over and over again. So if you're stuck, you can always click the little light bulb icon for tips. Okay, so this mission looks like it's drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward. Drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward. So you can see I just right-clicked on those blocks and select duplicate and then place it where I want it to go in the code. Here's what your final code looks like. No new blocks, just duplicating blocks that they have given. So this looks like it's gonna work perfect. Beautiful. Look at that. Duplicate some more. This time we need to make turns again, so we're gonna duplicate blocks again. Write your own code, duplicate blocks to code faster. Okay, so let's scroll out here and look at the mission. Look at that, it's basically making a square. Drive forward, turn right, drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward. So, you remember that pattern? Drive forward until touch, turn right. Now, you might want to use smart blocks. In fact, I would recommend it. I am not going to in my code, just to show you what it looks like without smart blocks. But if you are comfortable with smart blocks, go for it. So this is a right turn, so the power is 15. The duration is 1750. The steering is back to 100. Okay, this is a right turn. Drive forward until touch, turn right. Drive forward, duplicate, until touch. So let's duplicate and turn right. Getting a little long, so now I'm here, turning right, drive forward. Wait until touch. Turn right. And the last thing should be a drive forward right there. So this code may look long, but really it is just copying, duplicating the same blocks over and over and over again. It's just a pattern of 3 blocks, right? There you go. Drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward until touch, turn right, drive forward. And the program's nice. It shows you where it is by highlighting it as the robot goes. All right, looks like we got the last one here called turn, turn, turn. Finally, am I right? Let's reset the mission. Okay, so it looks like the same thing again. So we're just gonna redo it. Maybe this time I'll use smart blocks. What do you say? So this time we're going to drive forward until touch, which I already have a block called until touch. So let's import it. And then I need a right turn. So let's import our right turn block. Looks like it's good. So now I'm just gonna do a right turn. So I have until touch right turn. Let's just make sure this works. Looks like the robot goes forward until touch, and then it turns right. So let's do another until touch. And let's do another right turn. And let's do another until touch. Maybe I'll duplicate it this time. And then another right turn. And then another until touch. I think that'll get us through the square. Let's restart the mission and see if it works. The most important thing on this, you've already had the smart block written. You just need to import it by clicking on the smart blocks button and selecting your smart block from the old program. Looks like my robot's making its way through the mission perfectly. Wow, look at that. Doesn't the smart blocks make it look a lot nicer too? This teal's a real nice color. And that's it. You've completed all the missions. So nice job. Hopefully this has helped you make your way through Object Detection 1. Feel free to continue on to the next missions, and good luck with these ones. Bye, y'all.